Hello there, it's Andy Ewins from FormaServe once again. In this short how-to on IBM video, we'll be taking a look at a great utility for use with our IFS. IBM's doing such a great job lately on the open source front, it's difficult keeping up to date with all their offerings. That's not a complaint, IBM, keep them going. Another great example of software being added to that list is Midnight Commander. What a great name. Midnight Commander, or MC, is a very helpful graphical file manager that allows copying, moving, deleting files and whole directory trees. It is also great for searching for files and running commands. Just what we need to manage our files and directories on the IFS. So how do we get Midnight Commander? Installation of Midnight Commander is made simple by the inclusion of the open source management tools into IBM's ACS, Access for Client Solutions. If you need any further details on open source management, take a look at the videos I've done. Also, there's some excellent PowerWire articles on this topic. Once we have opened ACS, then we open the open source management feature. We select the Available Packages tab and find MC. We then get a confirmation screen, take a Y from here, and that will get it installed in. Once installed, we can go to the Installed Packages tab and make sure it's there. Right, we have that installed. And now we have the product installed, let's get about using it. So here I've started a QShell session. I'm using the excellent Windows terminal for this. Again, see my articles on PowerWire or our videos for how to use this excellent tool. So to fire up Midnight Commander, all we have to do is type in MC. And that is it. By default it comes up in black and white. Come out of it. If you prefer colour, just use the -C switch. For us old uns out there, doesn't this look like the old DOS, X-Tree and Norton Commander utilities going back to the 80s? Fantastic. When you open Midnight Commander, it gives you two side-by-side panels. These panels are both configurable, so we can have a tree listing on the left side with the file attributes on the right side. This is configured from the left and right menu bar options, all very useful. So how do we use them? By default it goes into your home directory, so we can see on the bottom there /home/Andy is my home directory, and on the right hand side are all the files which are in my home directory. We use the arrow keys to go up and down this so we can see up and down quite easily. At the bottom of the screen you will see 10 labelled rectangles. These relate to the command keys that are available. For example, F10 will exit Midnight Commander. So if I want to look at a certain file in my directory, for instance, let me have a look at this PowerWire article there, an rpg.ile source. So if I wanted to view that, we just press F3. And there we have it. Nice bit of RPG there for you. Free format. The escape key, if you want to get out of anything, press the escape key and that'll go back to where we were. So that's how we view a file. Quick F3. Another file there. If I wanted to delete that, we press F8. Do I want to delete it? Yes, why not? So that's how we can see files, how we can delete files. Now we have our two panes, how do we switch around the attributes of them? So if we press F9, for each left and right panel we can have a tree listing, an attributes pane, a quick view and a file listing. Any sort order you want, any filter, any encoding. And we have a left hand panel, and again you can set this up to quick view, info or tree. So very easy. Just come out of that. So if we want to switch between the panes, we use the tab key. So here I can see my IFS, my home directory. If I want to go up and look in Jane's, to refresh the right hand panel here, I just press the enter key and we can see all Jane's files. If I wanted to delete a directory, for instance, let's find one, Visual Code Server Insiders. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Let's get rid of that. F8, delete. Yes, why not? And it's telling me now it's got subdirectories in it with data in it. So do I really want to do this? And we'll do that to all. Press enter and away it's gone. Nice and easy. Don't have to remember any commands here. So very, very easy to use. Another useful key combination is the F7. Use this key to create a directory. So down at the bottom of the screen, just move my mouse out of the way, we can see we've got all our command keys down there, F1 to F10. And we've also got a command line there, the dollar with the cursor flashing. I can actually type in shell commands there. So if I quickly want to go into, say, Jane's directory, I just do cd home Jane. And that's, as you can see on the top there, it's quickly gone into Jane's directory. It's gone into it on the right hand pane because that was the pane I was actually in at that time. I can just go up here if I want to and see her directory there. So that should give me the same. Although help menus on their website are minimal, the F1 function key is very helpful and useful. Where has that key combination been used before? So very, very easy to use, and there's more content on there as well. So just press exactly where you want to go to. If we want to look at the contents, just press enter on that. And as I said, the help text on there is pretty good. It's very, very useful. Take a look at it. Here we can see some of the lesser used key combinations. As said, more information in their help. So really, that really does sum up Midnight Commander in a couple of minutes. As I've said, very, very useful, very quick. No, it's not a fancy graphical, but it doesn't have to be. I'm quite happy using this. It's nice and quick. I can edit files, I can delete files, I can rename files, and I can get rid of directories. Nice and easy, very quick to use. So, well worth a look. Install it from ACS. It'll be there for you. It installs it globally, so I don't have to mess around with directories. I can do it from wherever I am and bring this up. Well worth you taking a look. And that wraps up this quick video. Thank you for watching our How To on IBM I video set. I hope you found them useful. Keep checking our website, learning.formaserve.co.uk, and our YouTube channel. We regularly add new ones. Stay safe and see you soon.